Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Celtic Spirit Oracle, Ancient Wisdom from the Elementals. This is by Nicola McIntosh, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, published by Rockpool, retailing for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. Very cute. I'm excited about this one. All right, 36 cards and a guidebook. Are you ready to hear from the ancient wisdom from the other worlds? Elemental beings, Celtic gods and goddesses have messages that are so subtle, like a whisper that gets lost in our noisy way of life. A tool to aid spiritual growth from the Celts and help raise the consciousness of humanity. Now is an important time to step up and be the change that you want to see in the world. All right. So I know for most of you, 36 cards is kind of a disappointment, but we'll see. That was pretty. All right. Oh, so nice. I love little surprises like that in the packaging. Okay. First of all, let's take a look at the guidebook to see if there's anything important that we need to know about using this deck. It's beautifully done. Oh my goodness. Love it. We do have a page number for each of the cards, so that's exciting. I want to go to page 6 here. We've got a lot of information. We love that. So elemental energy can be very subtle, so I recommend making sure you take some time out to use them when you won't be disturbed. Be present, be mindful, be silent. Connecting to nature will help you greatly when working with the cards. And by doing this, you will also start to align yourself with the energy when it is not, or when you are not with your cards. Okay. Shuffle the deck. Ask a question you need guidance on, but ask in a way that the cards can answer. For example, what guidance do I need most today? So we have a couple of suggested questions here. What am I missing to help me overcome my obstacle? What will bring me happiness? What is my biggest obstacle at present? There's no right or wrong way to use the Oracle. Cool. So then we have a spread here. Triquetra. I can never pronounce that correctly, but I love it. Past, present, future. Pentagram. Awesome. Oh, we got the Celtic cross spread. And then it goes into the meanings. Oh, and it's all color. Beautiful. All right. Well, we don't need this right now. Oh my gosh, look at the back. So pretty. Oh, I love. Already, I'm like here for this. We've got green edges. Ah! And it's a matte. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, so no borders, and we have what it is, and then we have some keywords, and they're numbered. Fantastic. Already, I cannot complain. And the cardstock, not bad. It's not too thin. I feel like it's a little bit thicker than the current Hay House Oracle cards. Oh my goodness. No borders. Just the image. I'm kind of loving this already. I love the keywords. Those are awesome. Oh. A little intimidating with the eyes, but I don't hate it. I feel like this is a deck that you can use for a lot of different things. Very versatile feeling. Oh, I love. Oh. Ooh. Love. Oh. It's not an intimidating deck, but it is very to the point. Like, it doesn't mince words, it doesn't sugarcoat things. I'm here for it. Oh. Love the little mushroom. Ooh. Very cool. This might be like a new favorite. Personally. Ooh, very cool. Oh, the standing stones. Does anyone watch, oh goodness, Outlander? I am so behind on that show, but it's so good. I'm still in the first season. They have standing stones in there. Has a lot to do with the plot. Love that. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Really love the feel of this. Ooh. Yeah, no issues with the shuffling whatsoever. It feels good in the hand. Can I get a card to read, please? All right. Ooh, the Green Woman, number 31. So it says feminine, nature, and oneness. Okay. The Green Woman speaks to us through nature. She is nature, yet she is also the feminine aspect of ourselves. We are a part of nature. There is no separation. She comes to us to remind us of our femininity, that of being vulnerable, nurturing, supportive, flowing, gentle, caring, loving. So many qualities of the feminine that are so often overlooked. The feminine energy is needed to balance the masculine, the yin to the yang. Where are you needing the soft caress of the feminine in your life right now? Have you taken on the masculine role because things need to get done and you don't have the time to nurture yourself? Are you surrounded by masculine energies and feeling vulnerable? The feminine is a powerful force indeed, and not one to be looked at as lesser than the masculine. Both need each other. Both are important. But when one gets out of balance, we must remember to bring these energies back into balance. Another aspect of this card is the need to become one again with nature. Are you feeling separate and not in tune with the seasons? Are you pushing yourself against the flow or not in tune with the pace of that all around you? Nature works slowly, and yet everything still gets done. Nature is not comparing itself to everything around it. It simply goes about its business and doesn't matter about being the best. It just simply is. There are so many insights we can learn about ourselves by becoming one with nature, observing, listening, feeling, being. If you wish to learn more about yourself, learn about the natural world around you. Okay, so my consensus is I love this. I connected with it very quickly because I love the art style. I love what it's about. I love what it represents. I think it is a great price tag, a great price point. It's beautifully done. Everything about it, I'm not mad at anything. I can't really complain. I really do like the keywords on here, so it makes it very beginner friendly. And it makes it easy to read without the guidebook as well. So you kind of understand exactly what the card's energy is about. I feel like it's simplicity done at its best, you know? Like there's not terribly crazy imagery going on. It's not chaotic. It's very simple and to the point. And it's very tactful with how it goes about relaying the energy and the information it needs to intuitively. Very impressed. Very well done. Like I said, don't really have anything to complain about. I am curious now to know what you think. Is this a deck that you are interested in? Is this a deck that you think you would use? Are you turned off by some of the imagery, or is this just not up your alley? Please let me know all your thoughts and opinions on this deck, because there is no wrong answer down in the comment section below. I always love to hear what you guys have to say. So with that being said, all of the links in the description box where you can legitimately purchase this will be there should you want to. And while you're in the description box, I have a link tree that will give you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.